Hi everyone, let's take up a question on capacitance. Two parallel plate capacitors C1 and C2, each having capacitance of 10 microfarad, are individually charged by a 100 volt DC source. Capacitor C1 is kept connected to the source and a dielectric slab is inserted between its plates. Capacitor C2 is disconnected from the source and then a dielectric slab is inserted in it. Afterwards, the capacitor C1 is also disconnected from the source and the two capacitors are finally connected in parallel combination. The common potential of the combination will be, since capacitor C1 still remains connected with the source of 100 volt and a dielectric slab is inserted between it. Therefore, capacitance of capacitor C1 changes to K into 10 microfarad. So this becomes 100 microfarad. K is equal to 10. Therefore, charge on the capacitor C1 would be equal to C1 into V. This is equal to 100 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 into 100 volt. So this is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 2 coulomb. This can be written as 0.01 coulomb. Capacitor C2 is disconnected from the battery of 100 volt. Therefore, its capacitance remain as 10 microfarad. Therefore, charge on it would be equal to C2 into V. This will remain as 10 into 10 raised to the minus 6 into 100. So this is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 coulomb. This can be written as 0.001 coulomb. Now, a dielectric slab is inserted between the plates of C2 also. Therefore, its capacitance will also changes to Kc2. So this also becomes 10 into 10 microfarad. So this is also now 100 microfarad. Now C1 is also disconnected from the source and both these capacitors are now connected in parallel to each other. So their equivalent capacitance would be C equivalent of the combination would be 100 plus 100 equal to 200 microfarad. The common potential would be equal to V equal to Q upon C equivalent, where Q is the total charge on them. This is equal to Q1 plus Q2 upon C equivalent. This is 200 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Q1 is 0.01 coulomb and Q2 is 0.001 coulomb upon 200 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. This is equal to 0.011 upon 200 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Let us solve it. So this gives us 11 upon 200. So this is equal to 55 volt. So potential of the combination of parallel plate capacitors is equal to 55 volt.